symbols to exhibit an intent. Now we have moved from that stage. It is now.
ये दिल्ली की जनता की जीत है और ये भगवान की कोई ना कोई कृपा है, कोई ना कोई कुदरत का करिश्मा है कि इस देश में अब भ्रष्टाचार से मुक्ति की एक आशा दिखाई दे रही है। तो मैं भगवान से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो हमें साहस दे और हमें दिशा देते रहें, और दिल्ली की जनता से अपील करूंगा कि हम सब लोगों को मिलकर जैसे आज तक हम लड़ाई लड़ते रहे वैसे ही लड़ाई लड़ते रहना।
आज आपके पास कुछ विधायक हैं, कई सारे आम आदमी जो आपके तरह के आम आदमी वो मंत्री भी बन चुके हैं, आपने उन्हें मैसेज भी दिया कि कहीं से अहंकार ना आए, नम्र बने रहे, विनम्र बने रहे। मैसेज देश से नहीं पूरे दुनिया भर से बधाइयां मिल रही हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल को। आज
मेरे को मत बधाई, मैं जनता को बधाई। जनता ने जो कुछ किया वो जनता ने किया है, और दिल्ली की जनता ने पूरे देश को एक दिशा दी है कि राजनीति ईमानदारी से भी हो सकती है। नहीं तो हम लोग तो सारी उम्मीद खो चुके थे। हमें लगता था राजनीति का मतलब गुंडागर्दी, हमें लगता था राजनीति का मतलब भ्रष्टाचार, लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता ने एक उम्मीद दी है कि राजनीति ईमानदारी से भी हो सकती है, चुनाव ईमानदारी से लड़के जीते जा सकते हैं।
कहा यह भी जा रहा है कि कई सारे वो लोग जो शायद ईमानदारी में भरोसा नहीं करते, उनको डर लगने लगा अरविंद केजरीवाल के बाद के मुख्यमंत्री बनने के बाद।
उनको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो सारे ईमानदारी से काम करने लगे और हम चाहते हैं कि सारे लोग ईमानदार। अभी तक ये होता था सरकार में कि जो ईमानदार होता था उसकी चलती नहीं थी, उसको साइडलाइन कर दिया जाता था, और जो बेईमान होता था उसको रिवॉर्ड किया जाता था। अब ये हवा बदलेगी, अब ईमानदारी की जीत होगी और बेईमानों को सजा मिलेगी।
दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अब आगे क्या करने वाले हैं?
अभी तो राजघाट पे आए हैं जी, अभी
True to the practice right from the days of the India Against Corruption movement, Arvind Kejriwal also going to Rajghat to pay tribute before he goes to the Secretariat to begin his official work. Soon after the swearing in from the Ramlila Maidan, he's made his way to Rajghat. Remember, Anna Hazare as well, before starting every agitation, used to be seen at Rajghat, where he used to meditate for a while, pay tribute, and then go on to Ramlila Maidan for starting his fast. Live images that we are getting to you from Rajghat, where Arvind Kejriwal has reached with his party colleagues. Shiv Vishwanathan, the question being asked of Arvind Kejriwal today is, the days of being an agitationist are over. Today you are the Chief Minister, the CM. Many people are saying CM stands for Common Man, but all the duties that come with being in the office of Chief Minister, will Arvind Kejriwal be able to make that transition comfortably and successfully?
I think he has an alternative. If you look at it, he has made the transition. He realizes he is no longer a protester. He has created a community of citizens. He has created a cabinet. I think he is ready for the transition. In fact, if you look at his language, he has made the transition in language. He is very clear that now he has to move from protest to governance. He has to be sensitive to the voice of the people, and he has to do it in a style which evokes both intelligence and the sensibilities of democracy. I think it's a powerful moment, an electrical moment, and I'm glad one could witness it. And as Arvind said, it is not just his moment, it is the moment of all those dreaming of a different kind of politics.
Dr. Karan Malhotra, as someone who has known Arvind Kejriwal for a very long time, since he was a child, there has been a visible toning down, hasn't there? From a time where he used to say, नाकाबंदी कर दो, चीफ मिनिस्टर के घर के बाहर खड़े हो जाओ, घेराव कर दो हर एमएलए का जब तक वो आपकी मांगों को ना माने. Today we have a man who says, पुलिस को तकलीफ हो रही है, barricades मत हटाओ, control yourself, the police needs to do crowd management. He's also realized that he cannot keep going down that road which he had adopted 2 years ago.
Well, ma'am, I know an old saying, intelligent people don't do different things. They do things differently. इन्होंने जिस तरीके से अपने आप को अभी जैसे प्रोजेक्शन दिया है और जो लोगों ने अभी सुना है, ऐसा इससे पहले किसी भी सीएम ने इस तरीके से ओतली हो, इस तरीके से लोगों को डायरेक्ट अप्रोच और कॉमन मैन जो अपील की है, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी और उसे बहुत डिफरेंट और उसे बहुत अपीलिंग. ये बहुत हार्ट वार्मिंग है. साथ के साथ ये जैसे हम ये जानना चाह रहे हैं लोग कि किस तरीके से
Shiv Vishwanathan और सुधांशु मित्तल जो बीजेपी के हैं. He was saying कि कैसे एजिटेशनिस्ट से अब वो चीफ मिनिस्टर के रोल में आ गए हैं.
नहीं, उस रोल में तो मैम ये अभी जैसे पिछले कुछ दिनों से तैयारी चल ही रही है और बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं हमें इस रोल के अंदर और बहुत डिजर्विंग है, बहुत ऑनेस्ट है। हमें बहुत उम्मीद है इनसे कि इस रोल को ये बड़े अच्छे से निभाएंगे और लोगों को जितनी भी उनसे उम्मीद है उसमें खरा उतरेंगे।
Sudhanshu Mittal, you know, you said that you want to act as the constructive opposition to the Aam Aadmi Party, but your actions so far haven't really, you know, borne out that statement because you seem to be sniping at every given opportunity. Now, the point is that the Aam Aadmi Party says it realizes it has a huge task ahead of itself, but at least they've made a start. But if you keep discrediting every single claim, every single attempt that they are making, what kind of constructive opposition do you really hope to be?
I think I seriously expect them to be a constructive government. And if they're a constructive government, you will have a constructive opposition. You know, denigrating the other political parties in language and in gestures which may be unbecoming evokes reaction and response. I think this is a time when we should collectively look at Delhi and work for the people of Delhi.
No, but they haven't.
As
They've
I just
actually
said,
reached
I
out
was
to
really
all parties
moved by
and
this
said,
thing which I
आज
saw
शाम को आप घर जाके सोचिए आम आदमी पार्टी कर क्या रही है, you agree with us, then cooperate with us.
The song they were singing and all, I mean, it's, I seriously want this goodwill, this piety to continue, so that collectively the polity of Delhi serves the people of Delhi. But, allow me. You will see that if the tone, tenor and the actions of the Aam Aadmi Party's government befit the intent, then they'll have constructive cooperation. The problem only arises where it's symbolism and tokenism, and then it is language of the worst vicious kind. I was not happy about that one statement that सरकार बनेगी नहीं बनेगी वो क्या कहते हैं confidence motion and all. I mean, let's not look at negativity right now. There is a lot of expectation, there is a lot of goodwill, there is a lot of desire in people to see a new era. And as I said, good luck, our best wishes to a new government. Let them really fulfill the aspirations, measure up to the aspirations of people. Let them do good for the people, and they'll find that the polity will stand with them. I don't see this. The only thing is, there has to be restraint. And this is primarily the responsibility of the government of the day. How you carry the polity along with you, the initiative is always with the government of the day. A provocative government evokes a provocative response. I hope this may be history.
Shri Vishwanathan, is there a lack of restraint on the part of the Aam Aadmi Party? Because we've seen some of the promises that they've already toned down in the recent past. But today, when Arvind Kejriwal says, you know, we're going to give out a helpline number, if anyone offers you a bribe, you just call up this number, we're going to go and catch him red-handed. It's the job of the police. If the Chief Minister starts doing it, what's the police going to do?
Really desire.
I think you've got to differentiate between two kinds of things. Certain kinds of political promises made about corruption and controlling corruption and the logic of policy. I think Arvind is speaking at two levels. At one level, he's talking about the promises of his party. Two, he's talking about an articulation of policy. I see tremendous restraint in what Arvind is doing. This is a euphoric movement. But if you look at it, his tone was balanced, respectful. He evoked a genealogy, and I think in a deep and fundamental way, the message he conveyed was of constructive activity.
Shri Vishwanathan, do you think that the momentum that the BJP had managed to get in the run-up to 2014 elections is being lost now, something that the BJP also is realizing? Here you have a secular alternative for anyone who's disillusioned of the Congress. You have the Aam Aadmi Party. They need not go to the BJP.
It's more than a secular alternative. There's a difference in style, there's a difference in substance. Of course, it has to be scaled up. Sudhanshu Mittal has made that point. But I think some things have to be seen. I think they're down to basics. They're looking at education, water, electricity. They're looking at the whole idea of governance in terms of how to handle corruption, the everydayness of governance. I think in this context, I think what you're seeing is a brilliant opening. If this were a chess game, I think Arvind Kejriwal is playing a brilliant white.
And it's also very interesting how when Narendra Modi initially spoke about small government, actually Arvind Kejriwal has done that. Here you have the chief minister, or as he likes to call himself, chief server, and a small cabinet, 6 of them. Shiv Vishwanathan.
May I? Yeah. See, I think look at the key word he used. The idea of seva. I think the idea of service. That is, to a certain extent, the cabinet is dedicated to the people. The idea of seva as service is something the national movement and our civilization has evoked. I think the key word is seva. Service which prevents arrogance, service which guarantees delivery, service which makes you stick to your promise regardless of the obstacles.
Sudhanshu Mittal, you wanted to rebut.
Brilliant movement.
You just said he's made a small cabinet. That's not a true statement, because the constitutional provision regarding Delhi is that you can have only 7 ministers, including the chief minister. So he can't make it bigger than this. He could have had a lesser than this, but not bigger than this. So, I mean, well, the issue again, as I said, is now is the challenge when we move beyond tokenism, symbolisms. I just make one point. You know, we had the Aam Aadmi in a khas metro train, because this was a special metro train, this was not the easiest thing. You've done it fine. Okay, I mean, the message is gone. But let the government just not only look at tokenisms, because then you must understand that people will start reacting. They'll say, no, this is not serious business. You get down to serious business,
Okay.
no hoodwinking. With the media also, I want to just make a request. You know, just raise the expectations to the level which are achievable. You know, if you say that a new revolution has taken place today, what you will ultimately do is to raise expectations and the responsibilities to an extent where they might not even be able to deliver. That would be unfortunate. Let's be realistic. It's a good beginning. It's a decent beginning. It is a well-intended endeavor.
Okay.
Good luck. Serious business, and let's push this forward. I mean, let's not just raise it to the extent where it is unrealistic.
All right, so good luck, serious business, and we're going to be putting you under a microscope. That's what the BJP leaves unsaid. Sudhanshu Mittal, Professor Shiv Vishwanathan, and Dr. Malhotra, just stay on with me. We have to head into a very quick break, but we'll get many more reactions. Arvind Kejriwal is currently at Rajghat. We'll be getting fresh images, more reaction on the other side of a very quick break.